Good morning. I'm Terry, and welcome to Tardis Spider. Today, something new. Today, we are going to repair a Tardis. My wife and I went shopping at a home decor store this morning called At Home. We were able to purchase, to my left, this 30-inch high Tardis whimsical cabinet. I was also able to purchase a 48-inch high Tardis whimsical cabinet that had been damaged. I got it for 75% off. So today, we will repair the other Tardis. Today, we will also take a tour of what is now my studio. So if you enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. And now, which one of these do I need to repair a Tardis? Here's the first of our two finds from yesterday. This is the 30-inch police call box. It has shelves inside. And these shelves are spaced so that DVDs would fit well in here. This is a nice little cabinet. They do not call it a Tardis. They call it a blue police call box, and it is considered a whimsical cabinet. Now here are the 30-inch and the 48-inch cabinets side by side. Like I said in the opening, the 48-inch cabinet is damaged. In fact, you can notice the gap in the doors, and we're going to get close and look at the other damage here in just a second. But here they are, side by side. We used the clamps, we squared everything up, and then we used a few nails to put it back together. I used nails that were a little bit heavier, and I'm going to put the doors on it next. Now, because this is not wood, you really have a hard time using the same holes. In fact, if you use the same holes, there's a good possibility that they will not work. This wood will wallow out. So we're going to have to drive a new, what I'm doing is taking a piece of toothpick and putting it in each of the holes. It's an old school method of tightening up a sloppy hole. It just eats up a little bit of the space in the hole so that the screw can tighten. Well, that does this project. We've repaired this TARDIS. I think it's time to reestablish the inner dimensions. There we go. So this should now be a fully functioning 48-inch imitation Tardis. And this is my studio. A cabinet full of all my Doctor Who DVDs, my reference books, a curio cabinet with Doctor Who figurines, a TARDIS collection, my daughter's dollhouse, and if we look up high, that's our background when we go off-world. That's a little tour of what I call my studio. And here is our 48-inch cabinet repaired. As you can see, it has opening doors and shelves that tilt. It's in very good condition considering I got it for 75% off. The repairs were quite easy, so I'm glad I took the time to spend a few dollars on this toy. So enjoy your journey through time and space. Remember, it isn't over yet. Social distance, wear a mask, love your friends, and love your family. Good night.